Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to have changing wallpaper on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. You can have a changing wallpaper on your iPhone by setting up a photo shuffle and iOS 16 or later, using an app that allows dynamic wallpapers or by manually changing the wallpaper. Here's how to do it. So first, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Choose Wallpaper from the list of options. Then tap on Add New Wallpaper. Choose Photo Shuffle from the options. You can choose to use suggested photos from your library, or you can choose specific photos to include in the shuffle. Tap Select Photos manually to choose the image yourself to add it. Now tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner to choose how often the wallpaper changes. On tap, unlock, hourly, or daily. Tap Add when you're done, and the wallpaper will automatically change based on the shuffle frequency you selected. Using these steps, you can enjoy a variety of changing wallpapers on your iPhone, adding a fresh look whenever you unlock your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.